your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant if you are new here. Hi! My name is Rochelle and I am a leader with 31 Gifts. This is the video for you ladies, your sneak peek for 2021. Now, I've been doing these sneak peeks on YouTube here for the past 3 years, so thank you ladies for letting me be your sneak peek girl. Thank you for being a part of this awesome community. If you don't know, you are a bag babe. If you love things 31 and what it stands for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out all the spring fun that's about to happen on this channel. Now, if you want to know about all the fun things with 31, what's happening on this channel, my giveaways, catalogs, retirement lists, new kits, wait till the very end of the video and I'll give you all my consultant tips on how you can get the best deals and options for the upcoming spring. Ladies, you're getting the sneak peek because you either one, are on my rewards club, 2, you asked for it, or 3, you're subscribed or you're on YouTube and this happens to come up on your feed. So without further ado, get your happy dance on. Get excited, ladies, because here is your 31 Spring 2021 catalog. comments, did you see those new products? Ladies, I feel like one of those people that just want to do the happy dance. Get the happy dance with me, girlfriends. Who is excited? I know I am. Comment down below which one is your favorite. If this video gets 100 likes and you are in the comments, guess what? You're in on a giveaway. So let me give you all my consultant tips on how you can cash in on last call for fall stuff and hello spring stuff. First and foremost, if you want a retirement list, if you want a copy of the new catalog, if you want more information on how you can get your hands on the spring stuff this month and not wait till March 1st, Google Docs down below. That's the way you can get a hold of me and we can totally chit chat. All right, ladies, as I mentioned, last call for fall. If you're loving anything in this fall catalog, make sure you get in on my monthly mystery hostess. You girls know I always try to reach $500 because that way you girls could get 2 of these awesome insider rewards. I always try to hook you up, ladies. Again, if you shop by the deadline, you can always get double entries into that giveaway. Details are in the link when you click on it. And if you're shopping with me this month, guess what? You're getting in on Rockstar's giveaway, which is a spring. So yes, ladies, get your hands on some spring stuff sooner than the other people by shopping with me this February. Now, here are some tips and tricks. Ladies, again, if you're loving everything and you are seeing yourself, I have a $200 party, reach out to me. Let me get you a shopping link, maybe a party of one. Or if you want to share that link and have a few friends shop that party link, or if you want to do a party, reach out to me because that way you can unlock these insider rewards all to yourself. If you've been eyeing some of these for a while now, this is the month to do it because these are also going bye-bye. Did you see those new spring ones? Speaking of the new spring hostess exclusive, if you want to know a way for you to go ahead and shop this month and unlock some of that spring stuff March 1st, reach out to me. I can hook you up with a few tips and tricks and we can totally get you those spring items sooner than later. Yes, ladies, there are ways. Now, another great way, yes, this is one of the best ways to do it. Get in on all 31 Fun starting mid-February. More details will be coming out in a more detailed video. You can shop the spring print when you get in on all the 31 Fun with our 3 kits, because with our 3 kits, you can pick and choose the personalizations and the prints of your choice. So that is a good consultant tip for you, ladies. If you can't wait, I would be honored if you chose me to lead you onto that path. But if you want to chit chat and talk more about that, let's get connected. We will be saying goodbye to fall and hyping up spring throughout this month. And we will be doing most of that during Bag Babe TV every Saturday, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. We go live with me and the other Bag Babes of this community. So if you haven't yet, ladies, hit that subscribe button. Check out these fun links that are coming up to you. And wait for some upcoming videos like Shop with Me, Shop Spring with Me, my spring haul, and all that funness. Take care!